I will teach you the 5 only things you need in order to be healthy. I'm Edgar, I lost 100 pounds in a year and now my goal is to help people improve their health. I'm making this video because I'm seeing all of these hacks out there, or people saying that that's the most important thing you need to do in order to improve your health, buy this supplement and all of these things. And I feel like that we forgot a little bit what being healthy was really about. So today I'll answer the question, if I had to focus only on 5 things in order to be healthy, what would it be? Let's get into it. Number 1 is sleep. Sleep is mandatory for health, for longevity, performance, building muscle, mood, focus, energy. Everything is impacted by sleep. If you want to better your sleep, you can check this video that I made already on how to improve the quality of your sleep. Number 2 is movement. More precisely, 2 types of movements. First type will be some kind of cardio, okay? So running, cycling, walking, anything like that that makes your heart work, because the quality of your cardiovascular system will determine how long you'll live and the quality of your life. So it's very important that you train this at least every week, if not on a daily basis. This can be hard intervals, so things where you really are out of breath and it's really hard, or it can be a light walk or something like that. Really change it up and put in some variation in this, because all of these types of exercise are important. So very hard cardiovascular training and also lighter, like walking or light jogging or things like that. The second type of exercise that's very important is resistance training. So anything that builds your strength and builds muscles. Muscles are a great indicator of how long you'll live and also your general health. The problem is that without proper training and without targeting directly just building muscles, if you just do sports, if you just run, for example, you won't build so much muscle. So it's important to put in your program a space specifically for building strength and muscles, because every movement you do in life is supported by your muscles. So if you can walk up the stairs, carry bags, help people if they struggle with something that's heavy, that's just already a great argument for being strong, in my opinion. And everyone can be strong at his own echelon. Like girls can be really strong also. I think that everyone needs to build some kind of strength. You don't need to be able to bench press 140 kg, but being able to carry 20 kilograms in each hands, for example, or drag someone around, that's an interesting kind of strength to have. Third one is nutrition. What you eat will fuel all of the systems in your body, and it's a bit like sleep also. It will impact all of the areas of your life. So focus, energy, longevity, your mood, how fast you build muscles, all of these things. You can watch these videos I made on nutrition, but if you had to remember 2 rules only, it would be eat whole foods and eat varied. If possible, 80% of your diet should be whole foods, and also vary the different foods that you eat. So don't always eat, like for example, chicken and potatoes. Switch it up and take some different kinds of vegetables, different kinds of fruits, because that will ensure that you get the right amounts of nutrients. And if you eat the same things every time, you will most likely be deficient in some kinds of vitamins or minerals. Fourth one, and we're entering in the interesting one now, is community. Community is super important when it comes to longevity. Humans are made to interact with others, and having a strong social circle, maybe it's a family, maybe it's friends, maybe it's a girlfriend or a boyfriend, something like that. Some people that you can interact with and share things with them will definitely improve your health, because it lowers your stress levels a lot, and also it just gives you a reason to live, which is actually really important if you want to live a long time. By the way, talking about a reason to live, here is the 5th thing that you need to focus on if you want to be healthy: purpose. Purpose, meaning a why to your life, something to focus on and something to go after. will make you healthier, actually. Like, will make you more energized, will make you live longer. And that could be anything that gives your life meaning. Like, it could be a project, it could be a business, it could be family, it could be yourself, it could be anything. Purpose is really the most personalizable thing there is. Like, you could choose anything in the world to be your purpose. The only thing you need is to believe in it, and that this thing really gives meaning to your life. Having purpose will truly improve your health and longevity. So if you don't have a why or a meaning to your life, your health will definitely suffer. Because at the end of the day, being healthy is an addition of a lot of small habits, like I said, sleeping well, exercising, eating well. And you need a reason to be healthy. Because if your life has no sense, or the sense is weak, like if your life has no meaning, why would you want to be healthy? Why would you want to be able to be energized, to be able to work hard, to be able to feel well and everything, if you have no reason to be like that, if your life doesn't make sense? Health is just a tool. It just allows you to better your life and to just make your life better. And if you don't have purpose, you don't have a why would you want to be healthy? Like, health is a tool for meaning. And if you don't have meaning, you don't have a why, being healthy just doesn't make sense. So find a sense of purpose. I know it can be hard if you're young, and my best advice if you don't have something is just to try out how much things as you can, and you will eventually find something. You will eventually find maybe a person, maybe an activity, just something that clicks for you and makes sense. The thing is, you won't find purpose by thinking. You'll find purpose by acting and trying out things and going out in the world. And someday it will just click for you, and you'll know that for now, that's why you're living and that's what you want to pursue. And then your life will be just so much better. So if you don't know what your purpose is yet, just don't panic. Go and try out things. And believe me, everything will fall in place in given time. So if I had only 5 things I could focus on to be healthy, it would be sleep, exercising, in particular cardiovascular exercise and strength training, nutrition, because what goes in your body definitely defines how healthy your body will be. So focus on whole foods and variety. 4th one is community. Find a group of people, maybe your family, maybe a girlfriend or a boyfriend, maybe friends, anything that you can talk with, share things with, because we are humans and we are made to interact with people, and it makes our body and mind actually healthier. And last one is purpose, because it just doesn't make sense to be healthy if you have no reason to live. It's the end of this video. Please let me know if you would like a more detailed video on how to find purpose in the comments. You can check in the description for my newsletter. It's really my best work. It's like these videos, so advice and step-by-step guide on how to improve your health. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely enjoy my newsletter, so go check that out. Subscribe to be notified for my next videos. I always appreciate you for staying until the end. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Stay healthy.